Hello, back with me Beno in my channel, and now today I would like to present you Star Wars the TVZ Vintage Collection fresh from the Razor crest. You cannot get them from any retailer because you must buy full set, one big badass box of Razor crest. As you've already watched my previous video, you will notice that I haven't reviewed any of these to small people. Yeah, because this one is offworld Jawa, and also the fans' favorite Grogu, the child Yoda, and today I just noticed that they are totally different figure in terms of the sculpting and painting, because I've already purchased my TVZ of offworld Jawa, and also I have four kind of Baby Yoda, and now let's just open them. First of all, I would like to open the the Mandalorian. Here you get a better look. He didn't come in any blister or packaging because he just came out directly in a single plastic box. And let's just open this one. Here we are getting a Mando with some hidden weapon in this kind of plastic oil, and those are his backpack, jetpack, and his rifle, also his laser pistol. And in terms of the figures, I think this one is the same figure from the previous version, the jetpack version, and he has no rocker ankle like the Malduk race one, sadly, because this was already announced before the Malduk race release or announced. But this time he comes with the soft good capes with some hole here and there, and these soft goods needed for him to be able to sit down in his cockpit, Razor crest cockpit. And let's just put his pistol, his jetpack. There's a hole in this one, and still a hole over there to put his long rifle, the rifle that's not been used again anymore since, well, I think in the final episode of season 1 already. Mando just used his regular laser pistol, and here they are. Oops, it's easy to fall off the jetpack. You stick it in again, and voila, here he is. He's not barely able to stand. And now we will open the offworld Jawa Elder, because there is some explanation here. The offworld Jawa found on Alpha 7 may look different than their Tatooine counterparts, having adapted to their new surroundings, but their obsessive need for technology still drives them. This is basically the Jawa, the Tatooine Jawa in other versions, so they have the red eyes, just to make them slightly different. And let's open the Elder. We will never know how old is a Jawa by looking just from their outside. Here is the Elder Jawa. We cannot open the hood because it's glued in with the head, but we can see the inside. We have only single joint of his thigh, and he can move from the waist. And what else? Ball jointed in here, in hand, and no ball joint in the wrist. He's getting some, what do you call, blaster, iron blaster, pistol blaster, and 2 mud-horn eggs. And a kukri. Here I have, let's focus on this Jawa, the old version of divisi Jawa, Arvala Jawa. The differences here is that, yeah, in terms of accessories, they are basically the same figure, the exact same sculpt in this figure, but this Elder Jawa got some more necklaces with some tribe accessories here. So, and a kukri, I think he got his kukri. So this, if we put the weapon in his arsenal, so he will look like badass figure like John Rambo or John Wick or anything. And the only differences from the regular version of this Elder Jawa is because he has some already half eaten of mud-horn and mud-horn egg, yeah, and also the kukri. We will open it now. The blaster, the iron blaster, iron rifle, what is the name, and the point of interest is the kukri. It's quite a badass for a small figure that have deadly weapon. How to open this one? The kukri. It's so difficult. Okay, I found the opening here, so I can take it off directly from the blister. Yeah, this is the kukri. Can he hold the kukri? Yes, but not quite. It's quite loose, but still he can hold it. So this is the pistol, and we put the weapon on the back of this little fellas. So this one, the offworld Jawa, doesn't bother you if you get more of this figure, because yeah, actually there are so many kind of Jawa here. That is for the Jawa. While for the Grogu, straight from the Razor crest, we are getting this version, the Grogu version, the one with the soup, when the Mandalorian meet the Gina Carano's character, and also the baby Prime with the what we call the chrome version of the baby Prime. This basically, this one is this old DVZ baby Prime, and let's open this whether it's really just the old baby Prime with new color scheme. Okay, we've got some plastic here, the inside. And let's take a look at this one. Yeah, actually this is different sculpt. The blanket is different, it has different sculpt. And on the bottom of the baby's pram, we've got some sculpt here. And well, this one is nothing, no sculpt here. And actually this one is different because there's something here, and this one is totally new. I don't remember, I don't recall this one is from which episode where the baby Yoda get some new pram. But this one, the old one, is when he was found out and saved by the Mandalorian. Okay, here is the rest of the part for the baby's pram. So actually we can open this one, so it will stick over there, and we will just put it here. Yeah, it's clicking. There's clicking sound when you're putting the opening here. While this is the soup, it was held by a sellotape. The soup, you may not see this. It's so small, so tiny. While this baby Yoda, oh, the arm. Oh, I just noticed that this baby Yoda have different sculpt for the hand, because he's actually holding some ball from the cockpit of Razor crest. So this one is different. So, but the right arm is just the same with the rest of the baby Yoda. And this one sculpt is the only baby Yoda, the Grogu's face, where he is smiling. Look at the other figure of baby Yoda, the arm is falling off. The only smiling is the new DVZ from the Razor crest. Smiling baby. Okay guys, that's it. That's all. Now you know the differences of the DVZ from the DVZ that coming straight off the Razor crest box. Thank you for watching. May the force be with you. This is the way. Don't forget to subscribe for more video like this. And bye bye.
Terima kasih sudah menonton, jangan lupa tonton video aku yang lainnya. Dan jangan lupa untuk di subscribe. Bye-bye.